Welcome back. In this part, we will learn how to set up the environment and the basic things you need to know about before starting on Python. So basically, Python is an interpreted language. It means when you run Python and when you try to run a Python code, it reads one line and it runs that line, and if he finds error in that line, he will show you the error. While in compilation language, like a compiler language, it takes all the code and then compile and try to find out where try to I mean I kind of find out all errors in the code, not a single line execute it and then find the error in it. So first of all, we need to download the Python. When I say Python 3.5 is a kind of stable version for your operating system, you can just simply uh, download for Windows. For Linux, I'm using Linux, so and more than that, I'm using Ubuntu. So Python 2 and 3 comes by default in Ubuntu Linux. So if you are using Linux, then the Python is already installed, and if you are using Windows, you need to install the Python for Windows, and so for Macintosh and other operating system. And so uh, go ahead, download it and install it. And if you I mean if you got any error, or if you have any queries about downloading and installing Python, you can just comment below. And a few things we need to install before we need to install the Python package manager, that is called pip. And for that, I'm using Linux, so I will let you know. I will, if you are on Windows, I think it comes with the environment setup. It comes with with the Python. So let me know if you got any queries about the pip. I will answer you below. Let's go ahead and start installing pip in Ubuntu. Sorry, Linux. So here's the command to install pip. I want to install in Python 3, so I write Python 3-pip. So not let me we want to install that. So transfer password, because I'm using sudo. So it's already installed, that's why. And one more thing we need to install, I will use Jupyter Notebook. It's a kind of notebook that all data scientists used maybe in later course when we start with learning machine learning or in NLP. Maybe that will help you. So if you want to use PyCharm, well and good. If you are well aware with that ID, it's okay. And so I wanna start with Jupyter. So I want to install Jupyter. So for that, you need to know that you might got two versions of Python. I installed two versions, so that's why I wanna install the Jupyter in Python 3. And for Windows, you can just write pip install Jupyter. And for me, I'm using two versions. So for every, I think if you are using Ubuntu, you need to write that command to modify that command. I write Python 3 because I want to install in Python 3. It's installing, downloading all the packages required for Jupyter. Okay. After we install Jupyter, we need to run the Jupyter. Here is the command we need to run the Jupyter space notebook. Why? Because we're gonna run the notebook file, so it will take some time. Okay, so here's select Python 3 and it will start a new notebook. Run it basic understanding of Python. Okay. One more thing, from just like all other languages, we want to print something. So if you want to print something, you can just write print lower, it will print out. Why I use a Jupyter notebook? So you need to press shift enters to run that cell. Jupyter notebook has many cells. You can add cells, and if you press shift enter, it will add on last cell, it will add new cell and run the current cell. So okay, how to can say initialize a variable, like we can say a equal to 5. What it do, does it assign the value 5 to the variable a. Okay, and if we want to print a, we will print just like a. Python is a kind of language that it does not include parentheses like that in a function. Okay, what let me show you. Later I will let you know that how to define a function. That's I'm defining right now. Okay, that is the symbol that I mean, if a conditional statements or block you want to execute on a condition or on function, it will include all statements. If the all blocks under you can say that are tabbed will be executed inside a function, just like this function contains these two statements. Why? Because after we declare a function, we're defining the block in a you can say that in a kind of block. It separates the block. Here we have a block, that is the block of the function. All code in that block will be executed inside the function, while outside the function we have a kind of a printing statement, that is another block, and this is a full block, that is main block. When we execute it, a function has been declared, but only that statement has been called because it's outside the function, and it will print. And now if we call that function, that is the function, and what it will does, it will prints all the statements that is inside that block. Okay, and later on when we go forward for the if condition and other conditions, else conditional statements, loops and other structures, you will find out that if we have a loop, and inside that block we need to understand that Python will work not work with the parentheses like another languages, C++ or another C#. To clarify the block, that it's a block of if statement, or it's the block of the function or loop. All the statements under that condition will be that block, and all other conditions outside that statement or that condition will treat it as the end of as the another block. So I hope you understand that. Enjoy that tutorial. Next time, next tutorial we will start learning about the variable types.